according to the U.S. Geological Survey USGS. On March 18, 2023, a strong earthquake of magnitude 6.8 occurred near the city of Balao in the most populous part of Ecuador. 2 aftershocks of magnitude 4.8 and 3.7 followed within an hour. Earthquakes were felt throughout the country, but the provinces of Guayas, Oro and Azuay were the most affected. Residents of northern neighboring Peru also felt the echoes of the seismic event. According to preliminary data, about 50 buildings were completely destroyed and almost 100 more damaged. The footage shows the facade of a historic building in the city of Cuenca collapsing onto a car. Unfortunately, the driver was not able to get out of his car in time overall. The earthquake has killed at least 14 people and injured more than 380 others, according to preliminary reports.